Adding images to the content on your site can greatly enhance the content, both with beauty, with information, and with context. But images are just one type of media content that you can add in. The web is full of great content you can link to or pull into your site to add further usability and more information. WordPress ships with something called oembed, and oembed allows you to pull content in from many reputable sources into your site and display it in a very simple way. This allows you to add extra media content to your pages and also allows you to publish content in different places on the web, let's say on YouTube or Twitter or Facebook or other places, and then pull that content into your own blog when you want to. So let's take a look at how that works. I'll give you a common example. You find a video on YouTube and you want to share it with the world on your own site. So here's a video about the basic foundations of photography, and I want to share that in the post I already created. Of course, the first thing I need to do is go into Edit View so I can edit my post. And then I need to find a place where I want to share this video. I'm going to share the video at the bottom of this paragraph here. So I'll add a new line. And then I'm going to go to YouTube, make sure that this is the video I want, and simply copy the URL to this video. I'll go back to my editor, paste the URL in, click anywhere on the URL because right now you see that this is an active link. I don't want it to be an active link. I just want it to be plain text. So I'll break the link so it becomes just regular plain text. And then I scroll up, save the draft, and view the post. Now when I scroll down, you'll see the video was embedded for me. All I did was add the URL to the video, and the video automatically appears within my post. I can play it. All the other functions work. I can make it full screen, and I can also jump directly to the YouTube channel for this video. What's really cool about this oembed feature is that because you're just adding it using the URL, moving the video around on your site is as easy as just cutting that URL out and placing it somewhere else. Let's say I want it at the top of my article. I just paste the URL back in again, save my draft, view the post, and the video appears at the top of the article. And this doesn't limit itself just to YouTube. Let's say you found a tweet and you want to share that tweet with the world. Well, all you have to do is go to Twitter and find the URL for this particular tweet. You do that by clicking on the publishing date or time of that tweet, and then you get the full URL. You copy the URL, go back to your editor, paste the URL in where you want it to appear. And again, if it appears as a live link, you need to break the link, save the draft, view the post, and when you scroll down, you'll see here Twitter has embedded the full view of the tweet. This includes the border around it, the face of the person who made the tweet, a follow button to that person. You can even respond to the tweet, retweet it, or favorite it. This is the power of oembed. It allows the content owner, say Twitter or YouTube or Vimeo or a bunch of other services, to control the display of the content. All you have to do is link to it and it displays the way they decide inside your content. Of course, it also means if Twitter is down or YouTube is down or the video is removed, the thing that you link to disappears off your site. But all that's left is just the URL, so it's not like you have a bunch of broken code on your site. This is an extremely powerful service, and more online services are including oembed, and as those services become available, those oembed services are built into newer versions of WordPress. So when you find media content that you want to share, try to see if oembed supports it simply by copying the URL, pasting it into your content, and making sure it's not a link. Chances are it'll display properly in your content without you having to do any more work.